In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a to-do list in Notion. So as you know, Notion is an all-in-one productivity and organization tool that combines note-taking, task management, databases, and collaboration features all in one workspace. So basically, it is possible for us to do a to-do list here in Notion. So to accomplish this, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply select the workspace that we want to add the to-do list to. And after successfully selecting, we then open the document where we will specifically write the to-do list. So we simply go to the private section in here on the menu navigation on the left side of the screen. And we have here the list of documents that we have recently added. We simply go to any selected document in here, or if you want, you can simply just create a new one. Let's say we're going to create a new one by simply clicking add a page in here represented by a plus icon. We simply click this, and this will then direct you to a new page wherein you can input all of necessary information and details about your agenda. Now, since we are talking about to-do list, you can do this in two ways. It's either to use a template or to simply start from scratch. So let's say we're going to start from scratch. We put in here our title. Let's say the title is to do, and you put your task in here. Let's say go to the grocery, study, do the laundry, clean bedroom, and everything else. So you can basically add check boxes in here as well. So once you have finished it, you can simply tick the box down. On the other hand, you can also use templates such as this one. This one is a template which is more advanced and more in-depth in terms of to-do assignments. And that's about it. That's how to make a to-do list in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.